So hello and welcome back to Know How Academy. This is Coach Junaid. Today we are going to discuss one of the most critical and important and the trickiest interview questions. Why do you want to leave your current job? This is a very tricky questions in the interview because even the experienced people, they also find it so difficult to answer these questions. We will discuss three things in this video. First thing, what are the other ways these questions can be asked? Because different interviewers, different recruiters, and different employers, they ask these questions in a different way, but the answer is going to be the same. So even if somebody is going to ask you this question in a different way, you don't have to be confused. Okay, so we will discuss that what are the other ways these questions can be asked. Second thing that we are going to discuss is why interviewers ask these questions. What is the actual intention of the interviewers of asking these questions? Because once you will be able to understand their intentions, you will be able to answer these questions well. So you will be able to focus on the intentions and you will address that intentions while answering this. The third thing that we are going to discuss, four ways I am going to share with you that you can answer these questions smartly with the example. So let's get started. So let's begin with this. In how many ways these questions can be asked? The first, we all know that is what we are discussing here. Why do you want to leave your current job? But there are two more ways this question can be asked. The second one is, why are you looking for a change? Okay, so even if they ask you these questions, that why are you looking for a change, it's the same questions. Why do you want to leave your current job? The third way they can ask you these questions, why are you looking for a new job? So all these three questions are the same, they are the similar questions. That means you need to give the same answers even if they ask you any of them. Okay, so as I told you, this is one of the trickiest interview questions. It's a trap interview questions because they are going to ask you the reasons for leaving your current job. They are asking you why you want to leave your job. You are doing a job and why you want to leave it. So if you give any negative response about your current company, let's say you say that there is a politics going on in the company, you are not getting the due promotion, you are not getting the due salary hike, or the management is only supporting some of the employees, or you are not enjoying your job, or whatever you say. So if you give even a single negative response about your current job, then you are going to lose the interview for sure. Because today you are talking negative about your current company, tomorrow if they hire you and then you are going to apply for some other companies, then there also you are going to talk negative about that company. So they will not hire you if you say anything negative about your current company. But even if you say that everything is going well in your current company, in your current role, then the question arises that why you want to leave your job. When everything is going well, why do you want to leave your job? So if you answer in either ways, you are trapped. So this is a tricky question, as I told you, because many candidates, they fail to answer these questions appropriately, and that is why they get rejected in the interview. That is why they lose the interview. So let's discuss why interviewers ask this question. So basically, interviewers asking these questions for two reasons. Okay, the first thing, they are asking you that are you looking for a new company? Although you are looking for a new job, but what they are trying to ask is that are you looking for a new company? That means you are not liking the company. That means you are not fit to the company's culture or values. That is why you are changing your job. Or are you looking for a new job role? That means you are liking the company, but you are not enjoying the job role which is provided to you. That means maybe earlier you were in the operations and then you were shifted to the sales, or maybe you were shifted to the relationship management role, or vice versa. Let me give you an example. Recently, I met with one candidate and he told me this thing, that he had been working with one company for past 3 years in the operations, but all of a sudden the company gave him the new assignment, the new task, the new job role, and that was of the sales and the relationship management. So that was the reason why he was not comfortable with that job role, so he wanted to change the job. Okay, so here there is no problem with the company or the culture or the values, but the problem was with the job role. Okay, so the best way to answer this question is that you need to stick around the second reason, because if you say anything negative about the culture or the values of the company, then I told you they are not going to like it and they are not going to hire you or not going to offer you that job. But if you say yes, because of some reason you are not enjoying your job role, you like a particular job role and you enjoy that, you have skills to do that particular job and it is your passion, then maybe you can talk about that. So, how to approach these questions? Okay, so we discussed that the ways this question can be asked and why interviewer ask you these questions. Now we are going to discuss how to approach these questions. Okay, so the first thing, be positive. Okay, focus on what you are looking for in the next opportunity rather than talking negatives about the previous job role or the previous company. Okay, so focus on what job you are applying for. Okay, focus about that, talk about the job description, talk about what really excites you about the job role and why you want to apply for that. Okay, don't talk anything negative or about the past. Okay, so focus on the positive side. The second thing, highlight your growth. Okay, so emphasize a desire for professional growth and new challenges. For example, if you are working in a company for past 3 years, so you can say that now I have already like worked with that company for 3 years and I have like played different roles and I have already gained the good experience over there. Now I'm looking for the professional growth and I'm looking for the new challenges. So highlight the growth, talk about the future, don't talk about the past. The next thing, you need to connect with the company's goals. Okay, so align your reasons with the goals and values of the prospective employer. So here what you need to do is you need to research the company first. Okay, what are the company's visions, what are the company's goals, and how with your own skills and with your talent and with your experience and the amount of knowledge that you have, how you can help them to achieve their goals and how you can achieve their values. So talk about that. So let's, as I told you, let me share the ways you can answer these questions. Okay, the first example, the way you can answer this question is you need to tell them that I have gained valuable experience in my current role. So always start with the positive note. Okay, so you are first talking positive about your current job, your current role, and you are saying that yes, I have gained valuable experience in my current role. So you are not saying anything negative about your current role or your current company. So start with the positive. Okay, then you can say I'm seeking a new challenges and opportunities for professional development, because whatever I am doing in this current company for past 2 to 3 years, it's the same thing, and now I am looking for the new challenges, I'm looking for the new opportunities for my professional development so that I can develop the new skills in me. Okay, so this is how you need to answer this question. And you can say that I'm eager to apply my skills to more challenging projects and the responsibilities. Okay, because in past 3 years I've been doing that role and I'm already skilled in that, I'm already experienced in that. Now nothing challenged me in that particular role, so I'm looking for more challenging projects and I'm looking for more challenging responsibilities, some other responsibilities. So this is the one way you can answer these questions positively. The second example, the way you can answer this question is you can say, I have immense respect for the innovative approach your company takes. So, here, before talking about this thing, you need to research the company because you are talking about the innovative approach of that company. Okay, so how would you know about the companies having the innovative approaches? Because you have gone through their website, you have done the due research about the company, then only you will come to know that yes, this company is having the innovative approaches. So you are praising the company and their innovative approach. Then the very next what you need to say is you need to tell them that because your company takes innovative approaches, I'm also very innovative. Okay, and you can give one or two examples of your innovations or the way how you are innovative. You can give one or two examples from your previous or current job role, or you can share any example to tell them that yes, you are also innovative. So the reason why you want to apply in this company, because they are taking these innovative approaches and you are also innovative, so there is a match. So you need to tell them that I believe my skills and values aligned with your company. Okay, so I want to apply in this job for this company. I want to apply in this company for this particular role. So if you realize here, okay, you are not talking anything about your previous role, or you are not talking anything negative about your previous role. Okay, you are only talking positive, positive, and positive. Third thing, let's say, okay, even if you want to express your dissatisfaction, okay, because of the dissatisfaction of your job role, you are looking for a change, you are leaving that current job, okay, then also there is a way you can explain that in a positive manner. Okay, this is how you can say. So again, as I told you, even you are talking about the dissatisfaction with your current or previous role, but you need to start with the positive note only. Okay, so I appreciate the experience I have gained in my current role. Again, you are talking only positive about your current role, but then you can say, then you can express your feelings, the reason why you are leaving this job. You can say, but I have come to realize that my skills and ambitions are better fit for a dynamic environment like your company has. Okay, so you can say that I've been trying all hard to show my skills and to put my efforts and everything, but I think, okay, I can get better results if I apply the same amount of efforts and my skills in your company, because your company is having a dynamic environment. So again, you are praising about that company, the interviewing company where you are going to apply. Okay, and then you are saying nothing negative about the current role or the previous role. So again, you can say, I'm eager to contribute to your team because my strengths are more aligned with your company's objectives. Okay, so when you will research about the company's goals and objectives and the vision, you need to talk about them and how your skills, how your experience and the knowledge is going to help them achieve their objectives and the goals and the visions. Okay, so you need to talk about that. Fourth thing, you need to talk about the excitement for the new opportunity. Okay, you need to express your excitement, how excited you are to apply in this company for this particular role. So you need to show that you have thoroughly researched their company. So first thing is very clear, the first and last thing, that before answering these questions or before going to interview, you need to research that company thoroughly. Okay, you need to research everything about their vision, about their goals, objectives, their core values, their projects, their management, their employees. Okay, any latest events they're employing, their employees policies. Okay, you need to research everything and you just need to talk about them. Okay, that how excited you are to join their company because of all these reasons. Then you can say, I'm particularly excited about the projects your company is working on. Okay, so because you have done the research, you know what kind of projects the company has done in the past and what kind of ongoing projects that they are doing. So you can talk about one or two projects where your skills can be applied. Okay, so again, you can talk about a particular project. You can say, in that project, I believe my skills can be applied and I can really contribute in that project. Okay, and I can help that project be completed on time effectively. Okay, so I believe and I'm confident that my skills and experiences will contribute effectively to your team. Okay, so this is the way how you need to answer these questions positively. There is not a single negative sentence that you spoke, okay, about your previous company or previous role. This is the way positively you can divert your answer, okay, to what interviewers' intentions is. So I see this move as a positive step towards achieving my long-term career goals. Okay, so you are talking about your own long-term career goals and how, if you join this company and if you work on those particular projects and if you apply your skills, then definitely you are going to achieve your long-term goals, and simultaneously you are also going to complete that project and achieve the company's objectives as well. So you need to conclude and summarize your answer at the end. Okay, so first of all, express your enthusiasm for the new opportunity. Say that thank you so much for this opportunity and considering my application for this job. And this is how you can conclude your answer. I'm grateful for the experiences and learning from my current job, and I believe this has helped me become more skilled and better at my job. And I'm excited to contribute to your team. And thank you for considering my application. So, this is the way how you can answer this particular questions. Why do you want to leave your current job, or why are you looking for a change, or why are you looking for a new job? Thank you for choosing Know How Academy as your source for job interview preparation. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. It's been a pleasure sharing this information with you. Stay curious and keep learning.